Welcome back to the channel Coding Help. In this video, we are going to solve the problem of weekly contest 496. And this is the second problem. Problem is saying integer with multiple sum of two cubes. Okay. So in this problem, we have given an integer n. Okay. And an integer x is considered as a good if at least two distinct pair a and b such that aq plus bq is equal to x. Okay. So let's understand with this problem. So here it's given n is equal to 4104. So we will check from 1 to 4104 and at least two cube pair is equal to a specific number. Okay. So in this case, we have given 1729. This one is 1 cube plus 12 cube and 9 cube plus 10 cube. Okay. So there is two cube pair. Okay. So that's why we consider this number as a good number. Same, another number is 4104. This one is also 2q plus 16q and 9q plus 15q. Okay, so we will return these two numbers. Okay, so how we can solve this problem? So let's understand with the example. For example, we have given 4, 2, 4, 4. Okay, so from 1 to this number, we need to check how many numbers with two cube sum is there. Okay, a cube plus b cube is equal to x and a2 cube plus b2 cube is equal to x, right? So how we can do? We will save every number from 1 to this value. This will be a and this will be b. 1 to 4 to 4, 4, right? We will do a cube plus b cube and we will store this sum into one map. Okay, whatever value will come, so we'll store in this one. Again, we will increase this one a q plus this one b2q. Whatever value will come, we will store into map and increase count 1, right? In our case, what happened? 1729 is there, right? So there one is 1q plus 12q. Okay, when A will become 1 and B will become 12, so we'll get 1729. In this case, we will increment 1 times in the map. Okay, again, when 1 will come as a, like A will come as a 9 and B will come as a 10. So in this case, again, this will come as a 1729. Okay, so this will give you, now in map, we can increment count one more. So count of 1729 is 2 in the map. So after computing these all things in map, we will check whichever value count is greater than 2. Okay, we'll check like map dot get number is greater than 2, greater than equal to 2. So we'll take this number as a good number and we will store into the answer stream. And finally, we will return this one. But in this case, what will happen? N is 10 to the power 9. Okay. N is equal to 10 to the power 9. So this will take n square time complexity. Or n square time complexity means 10 to the power 18. This will give you TLE. Okay, we need to solve this problem within 10 to the power 9. So what we can do? We know that we need to check numbers from 1 to 4 to 43. Okay. So what we can do? We will go till 1 to root of this number. Okay. Root of this number, when you will do q of this number, this will go till this number. Okay. So what we'll do, we will iterate a from 1 to root q of n, and b is 1 to root q of n. So when you will do, this will take time complexity root q of n, okay, square. It means n to power 2 by 3, n to the power 2 by 3. So this will not give you TL. Means 10 to the power 9 into 2 by 3 means 10 to the power 6. Okay. Now let's see the code. Okay, let's try to understand the code. So in this problem, we have taken one map as we have seen in our previous explanation, and limit is cube root of n. Now we are iterating a 1 to limit and b a to limit. Why a to limit? Because when we will take one a as a uh, 1 and b as a 12, so it will again repeat, like a will come as a 12 and b will come as a 1. So that's why we are iterating b after 1 only. Okay, now we are computing the value, and when value is coming greater than n, so we are not computing value after n. Okay, we need to check the value till n only. So when this will come, we'll break the loop. Otherwise, we'll put the value and increment the count, right? Finally, we will iterate through the map and we'll check which value count is greater than 1. Okay. So whatever value is count greater than 1, we will add into the answer, and finally we'll sort it and return the answer. Okay. Now we can run the code. It's working fine. Let's try to submit the code. Okay, now it's accepting. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.